Hello everyone and welcome to Back to the Future Day. Yes, it's the 21st. Anyone? Yes? Oh, we all know it. Come on. This is the day Marty McFly came back to 5 years ago. If only he'd come back to 2016, maybe he could have fixed all that. But never mind. Let's do our prompt for the day. Be Michael J. Fox, be Michael J. Fox. It's not, it's a bit of paper. Right. Oh, blimey. Right, it's another from my dad, I think. Hi, Dad. Hi. I think he's watching these now. Hi. Cup half full. Okay, well, we now know that my dad is an optimist. So that's nice to know. Right, cup half full. They're having a barbecue, possibly with themselves on the barbecue. We don't know. Okay, they are in a sticky situation, so maybe they can start thinking of what they... That's always an important thing. We always think of the things that we can't do, especially right now with all that's going on. But what we should do is concentrate on things that we can do. That's a true optimist. Not everything is roses and sunflowers and everything's great. No. Oh, hello. It's, okay, this is awful. And there's a cat. But what can we do? We can walk past the camera and wiggle it, apparently, Ruby, can't we? Yes, we can. Good girl. So, yes, it is Back to the Future Day. So I'm drawing a Delorean because you have to, really. Right, story-wise, bing, I've literally just written. Okay, so they wake up. There's this weird screeching woman. There goes my alarm. Quick, hurry up, work starts in a minute. There's this screeching woman wanting to turn them into bacon or sausages or something. And the lightning tree, the girl sees the car. And the lightning tree realises, okay, this is my purpose. This is why I'm here. It's a lightning tree. I knew this was all going to come together. And basically the lightning tree starts, flashing and sparking and throwing a lightning bolt at the car, which goes boom. This is lightning. By the way, I'm drawing lightning, everybody. That's what it's supposed to be, so we're going with that. And the girl realises, she scoops up the flower. Edmund's crawled up onto her shoulder and she dives into the car and drives off, just to see the lightning tree bury itself back into the ground and just wave a branch goodbye to them. Oh, so there you go. They're now in a DeLorean, running away, driving away, getting away from Rose. Sad bit here. This pen I'm trying to use, it goes. I think if it's slow enough, you will see. Oh, I go back to this. You'll see the tip go all white, and there's nothing left in it. That's 2 that I'm down now, but never mind. Anyway, I did this I basically Googled Back to the Future, and this is like one of the posters. This is the back of the DeLorean with all, lightning coming from it. I tried to make it look like the lights, and I try and make the lights below look lighty. I think you can tell what I'm going for, I think. Oh, do you know what I forgot? I'll have to go and do it now. These squares either size are actually in 6 squares. They're like, I don't know what they are. They're the, bit where stuff comes out of the back of a car. The exhausts, I think they're supposed to be exhausts. But I forgot to I was going to use my jelly roll, of which I have new ones at the back. I'm going to have to go back and do that. If you look on Instagram, I'm on Instagram. The actual completed one will be there. I just need to put some crosses, but I don't know, I quite like it like this. We'll see. But here I'm trying to make it look like the back lights are shining, because that's kind of what it looks like on the poster. I don't know. Maybe it works. Possibly. But yeah, there you go. There's your idea. She's sort of looking at it. She's getting a bit, right, let's do this. That's what determination in her eyes. And poor little Edmund, I think he's hungry by now. He was probably quite into the idea of them sausages, but he knows who he needs to stay with, so he's crawling up onto her shoulder. Oh, I love Edmund. He's so cute. But yeah, there you go. That is my idea. I tried to make her hair look dynamic. This is me doing dynamic hair, sort of like the wind is pushing it sort of towards the car, like whoosh. Yeah. If I was doing that, I should have done Edmund's precious feathers going that way. But I'm sure his feathers have a life of their own. I'm sure it's fine. And her floppy fringe look. I decided to mainly do her, apart from her pink heart. She has to have a pink heart on her t-shirt. I don't know why. I decided to do most of this in grey rather than sort of flesh colour, because I think there were just too many colours in it. This is me discovering that, yeah, my pen's died. So I get another one. This is a Ohuhu marker, which is the lightest one. This is the problem with the Ohuhu ones, or I guess the cheaper ones. You don't get as many really light pastel tones, but it's fine. It's fine, and they're trying to sort of blend it into this, like it's lightning around there. I did get a little bit more out of this pen, a little bit more, but that was my lot. And I'm just trying to sort of, yeah, make it go into there, kind of. Anyway, it looks better in real life than I'm looking at it right now. I'll have another whack at it and see if I can make it a bit better. But then the ground is just grey, sort of, grey. And then I do her in grey and him in grey, and obviously her pink heart. I think this is the wrong pink. But, maybe her heart is sort of, maybe the heart will change colour. Ooh, as she changes and grows and learns about herself and all of that. Anyway, the one thing is what seeped through from the barbecue, you can just see on the other page, ended up on her white t-shirt. So that's a thing, but it's fine. It's fine. I can go over that with a jelly roll. Everything's fine. I'm really rushing because I'm working today, so thankfully I've got this done in the morning and out. But there you go. Got to do his feathers. His feathers are like the most important part. I don't know why they are, but I'm sure, they're important to him. And that's what matters, Anyway, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this one. Please like and subscribe and all of that awesome stuff. And I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Yeah, bye.